To make a pretty basic app for your create task, it's important to have a screen that explains the purpose of your app and then can take you to the game function or the function that you want to show in your video. So when you click this game button, it'll just bring you to the game screen. On the game screen, you're going to need a horizontal arrangement with a score label and a back button. Also, you need a canvas to fill up the rest of the space. It doesn't have to have a background, but you can put it in if you want. 2 sprites will do, and one of them should be a scoring bucket, and the other should be your item that you will score with. This could work with the basketball and the basketball net as well, or any other thing you can imagine. Now, neither of these should have a speed or heading or any of that, and make sure that they're sized correctly. Now, when we go to blocks, first thing we need to do is make the bottle be able to be dragged. This is done with going to the when it is dragged event handler. Now all you need to do for that is call on changing the position and grabbing these current X's and current Y's. All that this event handler will do is allow you to drag it. Now we need to work on scoring. So whenever the bottle is let go, which is touch up, we're going to check to see if it's in the bin. We can do this by comparing the Y's of the bin and the bottle. So if the Y of the bottle, when we release it, is greater, which means it's below the Y of the can sprite, go over here and get that. That means that your score. So to score, we're just going to create a variable called score and set it to 0. Now when we score, we're going to set the same value to itself plus 1. So we go math. There we go. Also, we need to change the text to make sure that it will display the score correctly. So we go to set the text, and then we'll get a join and a text. So join, and then just type in score here and put a space after. Now we just get global score again and put it in here. After that, we need to make sure that it resets the bottle, and all we have to do now is call this again. So duplicate, put it in, and instead change this, change the X and Y's to around the center of your screen, and mine was about, for the X, half of the screen, and for the Y, duplicate it. This can be determined through trial and error, but this is what my screen will look like, and that's it. That's all you need. You can customize it to make it more like a create task of your own, but that would be enough to get you past with a passing grade.